To create a YouTube channel and become a successful YouTuber, you'll need to focus on both technical setup and long-term content strategies. Here's a step-by-step guide that covers everything from setting up your channel to growing your audience and monetizing your content. #####1. Create a YouTube channel. #####8 Sign in to YouTube. You need a Google account to sign in. If you don't have one, you can create it at Google Accounts, https://accounts.google.com. Once logged in, go to YouTube, https://www.youtube.com. #####B, create a new channel. Click on your profile picture, top right. Select Create a Channel. You'll be prompted to create a personal channel or a brand account, ideal if you plan to expand or manage your content professionally. #####C, name your channel. Choose a unique, memorable, and relevant name. Your channel name should resonate with the type of content you intend to post. #####D, customize your channel. Channel art and profile picture. Use tools like Canva to design professional channel art, 2560 by 1440 pixels, and a profile picture that represents your brand. About section. Write a compelling channel description. Include keywords that relate to your niche so it can be easily found via search. Social links. Link to your social media accounts or website, if applicable, for better audience engagement. ####2. Develop a niche and content plan. ####A. Identify your niche. Decide on a theme for your channel based on your passions, skills, or trending topics. Whether it's education, gaming, lifestyle, or tutorials, focus on what you enjoy. Ensure the niche has an audience by researching YouTube trends. ####B. Plan content. Develop a content calendar to maintain consistency. Uploading regularly helps keep your audience engaged and improves your standing in YouTube's algorithm. Aim for variety while sticking to your niche, e.g., how-to videos, Q&A, challenges, vlogs, etc. ####C. Research competitors. Study successful YouTubers in your niche. Understand the type of content they produce, how they engage with their audience, and what makes them unique. ####3. Create high-quality content. ####A. Basic equipment. Camera. You can start with a smartphone or a good webcam, but eventually invest in a DSLR or mirrorless camera. Microphone. Audio quality is critical, so use an external mic for better clarity. Lighting. Natural lighting is good, but you may need softboxes or ring lights for indoor shoots. Editing software. Beginners can use free tools like iMovie, Mac, or DaVinci Resolve, while professionals may opt for Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. ####B. Script and structure your videos. Have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Create engaging intros that hook viewers within the first 15 seconds. Ensure your message is clear and concise, with some level of entertainment to keep the audience engaged. ####C. Editing. Edit your video to cut out unnecessary parts, add background music, text overlays, or effects. Keep the video pace fast enough to maintain attention. Add a strong call to action, CTA, asking viewers to subscribe, like, comment, or follow your social media. Hashtag 4. Optimize your videos for search, SEO. Hashtag A title. Use relevant keywords in the title for better ranking on YouTube search. Keep it compelling to encourage clicks, e.g., how to learn math fast, tips for students. Hashtag B description. Write a detailed description with relevant keywords. Explain what the video is about, and link to your other content or social media. Hashtag C tags. Use tags that are relevant to your content. Think about what users might search for to find your video. Hashtag D thumbnails. Create custom thumbnails that are visually appealing and clickable. Thumbnails should provide a visual teaser of your content and include easy-to-read text when possible. Hashtag 5. Promote your YouTube channel. Hashtag A social media. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Use snippets or behind-the-scenes photos to generate interest. Engage with communities relevant to your niche on Reddit or Quora. Hashtag B collaborations. Partner with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche. Cross-promotions can introduce your channel to new audiences. Hashtag C. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments on your videos to foster a community. Ask questions or host Q&A sessions to involve your viewers directly in your content creation. Hashtag 6. Consistency and engagement. Hashtag A upload schedule. Stick to a consistent posting schedule, once a week, bi-weekly, etc., so your audience knows when to expect new content. Hashtag B YouTube Analytics. Monitor the performance of your videos using YouTube Analytics. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, views, and click-through rates to understand what works and adjust your strategy accordingly. Hashtag 7. Monetize your channel. Hashtag A YouTube Partner Program. To qualify for monetization, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Once eligible, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, allowing you to earn from ads. Hashtag B affiliate marketing. Promote products in your videos, using affiliate links to earn a commission on sales. Hashtag C sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may approach you for paid sponsorship deals. To create a YouTube channel and become a successful YouTuber, you'll need to focus on both technical setup and long-term content strategies. Here's a step-by-step guide that covers everything from setting up your channel to growing your audience and monetizing your content. Hashtag 1. Create a YouTube channel.